Hello everyone. Can you see Autumn there?
They can't see me, Mommy.
A little bit. So today's ganap guys is we're going to school.
No, don't do Halloween party.
But you're gonna be school, right?
Halloween party.
Halloween party school. So idadrop ko si Baby Autumn ngayon. Malamig na umaga. So, 8:47. Tapos, uwi ako saglit, mga 30 minutes. Papasok na rin ako sa trabaho kasi medyo usually yung pasok ko is 10 o'clock but 2:30 yung start ko today. I-drop ko lang siya.